On a night like this.
Want to bask in the sun or revel in the moonlight? Get out and be in the moment.
I'm so glad you came around. Hold on to me so tight and heat up some coffee ground.
Be part of the in crowd. Visit Jefferson Parish, where it's in to be out.
It sure be right on a night like this.
we're back here at Jefferson, Parish, Louisiana, 2026 Pickle Gras, Southern Pickleball. 4 incredible athletes on the court here. Alejandro Spears, Ross Vogel, Ryan Roman, and Ethan Beadle. Some of the best pickleball we've seen today. This is going to be Alejandro to serve. Who said earlier he's got a newborn coming in about a month. Congratulations. He'll be able to say Dad is one heck of a pickleball player. Got that point there. That's going to make us 3-8-1. Shout out to Alejandro calling out the score loud for the fans. Nice patience here. There they go. They just kept the ball in play. Sometimes that's all you got to do is just let your opponent keep hitting it. Alejandro and Ross now at 4-8-1. All medalists from this tournament qualify for the Southern Pickleball Championships, be held in January 2027 in Macon, Georgia, the world's largest indoor pickleball facility. Also get points for the Southern Pickleball rankings. You can check out all the leaders at SouthernPickleball.com. There's also details there on how you too can get points to compete for the Player of the Year. We're at 5-8-1. Alejandro and Ross coming back now. Good speed up there. Caught him off guard. Oh, nice drop shot from Ron Roman. And did y'all just see Alejandro Spears clear that net after that? Man, we have to get some replay going here. I want to see that again. That was something special there. All right, so that's a side out. 8-5-1. That ball was just a little wide on the serve. They do say you need to go for that serve a little bit, but you got to get it in to be able to win the point. But, you know, you got to put some aggression, and Ethan Beadle immediately takes over the middle of the court after that. Nice ball from... Really like the teamwork from Beadle and Roman over there. They really move well together, covering the angles. Wish I would have asked them how long they've been playing together. They look like they've been doing it for a while, but I also, when Ryan was telling me he's from Baton Rouge, it seemed like Ethan wasn't really sure where he was from, so they could have just met. I don't know, but they are really playing well together, as are Alejandro and Ross. Ross moves out of the way, lets Alejandro take over that middle. Would like to have that one back. Now we are at 9-5. Actually, I think I had the score on that. That's going to do it right there. 11-5. Great match. I tell you what, that was some great pickleball. 4 really athletic guys out there. Great athletes, great strategy, fun pickleball to watch over here. We got more pickleball action coming back later here from Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. This is your 2026 Southern Pickleball Pickle Gras. Thanks for tuning in.
Night like this.
Want to bask in the sun or revel in the moonlight? Get out and be in the moment.
I'm so glad you came around. Hold on to me so tight and heat up some coffee ground.
Be part of the in crowd. Visit Jefferson Parish, where it's in to be out.
It sure feel right.